詳しいMinister of Roads and Highways, Honorable Justina Michael, Central Regional Minister, Honorable Ministers of State present, Honorable Members of Parliament present, Municipal and District Chief Executive of Assin North Municipal and Assin North District Assemblies, Head of Ministries, Departments and Agencies, traditional leaders, Japanese consultants and contractors, friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Nemamoa Chef. Many Ajahn Pasa Mara Ghana. It is indeed great honor to be part of this important occasion of commissioning the project for rehabilitation of National Trunk Road N8 Phase 2. The National Trunk Road N8 is an integral part of an international corridor connecting the landlocked countries such as Burkina Faso, Mali, and Niger to the Takoradi Port in Ghana. It also connects major cities such as Cape Coast and Kumasi. The road is an economic corridor used for transporting major export commodities such as cocoa, timber, gold, and etc. from Finland to Takoradi Port. Your Excellency, we recognize the importance of N8. Japan has supported the upgrade of the highway into an asphalt concrete road between 1990 to 1994. However, because of the rapid increase of traffic volume, the road began to deteriorate and it became obvious that some sections need rehabilitation. Responding to the request from the government of Ghana in 2009, a grant agreement for the project for rehabilitation of National Trunk Road N8 Phase 1 was signed. The Phase 1 covered the 60 kilometers section between Assin Plateau and Asante Pequai and was commissioned in 2013. Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, today we are commissioning the Phase 2 project, a grant agreement which was signed in 2018 with a grant amount of 6,849,000,000 Japanese yen, equivalent to about US $58 million. The project rehabilitated the additional 31.2 kilometer section between Assin Post and Assin Plateau, easing chronic traffic congestion with the duration of the 1.2 kilometer road section in Assin Post housing. Your Excellency, JICA has been working with the government of Ghana for the past 60 years. It was the 60 years ago was the year I was born. So it was a long relation between Japan and Ghana. One of the main features of our cooperation is quality infrastructure for economic and social growth, maximizing the positive impact of infrastructure to achieve sustainable growth and raising economic efficiency in view of life cycle costs are few of the principles of quality growth. While you drive on this road, you will see that this project, together with the Phase 1 project, is precisely the quality infrastructure we envision. Mr. Vice President, safety of this project is also important essence to quality infrastructure. I'm happy to share that no major accident occurred during the construction period because safety was highly prioritized by the contractors. A series of safety training were organized for all the workers on a daily basis. This was in addition to the task-related training given to the various work teams to improve their skills. It is referring to mention that despite the COVID-19 pandemic and its related challenges, which led the suspension of the construction for 12 months. Completion of the project was achieved with 30 months ahead of the planned 36 months completion period. Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of JICA, I'd like to express our sincere appreciation to those who worked and supported the successful implementation of this project. In this regard, I'd like to express my greatest appreciation to the government of Ghana, especially the Ministry of Road and Highways, Ghana Highway Authority, the contractor Shimizu Dainippon JP, the consultant, central consultant, and the local authorities and residents of this area whose dedication and cooperation contributed significantly to complete this project. Finally, it is my hope that this road infrastructure would be used sustainably to improve transportation in Ghana as well as regional economy. We expect your continuous effort to maintain the quality of this facility and keep it safe for the road users. Thank you very much for your kind attention. Medase.
Yes, thank you very much, Mr. Toshibu Yuki, for your kind words. The Ghana, or the Ghana Bana,